I got a phenomenal response to a video that we did a week or two ago. And I talked about the way that you could work with your doctor to get your attention deficit issues handled. And one of the just awesome subscribers to our videos said, yeah, right, he's going to tell you take this drug, take that drug, take this drug, take that drug, antidepressants and all sorts of stuff, and will just completely laugh in your face about your interest in alternative approaches. Well, I know this is going to be hard for some of the natural health aficionados to swallow, but your doctor really wants to be on your side. I went to medical school for a long time with a lot of really good people, and I spent a lot of time learning about the traditional or conventional side of drug therapy and how it works. And doctors really believe in their heart of hearts that that's the very best thing for you. And they don't know about nutrition. They don't know about necessarily the supplements you could take or the neurotransmitter support that you could use, as well as you even might know. Because you're Googling it, you're talking with people, and you're working on it, and your doctor needs that information to help you. And if he, in some way, blows you off, then you have an opportunity to teach him and to invite him into something better. But if he treats you with disrespect, or is not willing to listen to you, you need to find a different doctor. Because if you find a good doctor you can work with, you'll get much better results, because we're better if we work together.